product of array except self. We want to return a result, where result at I is the product of all the elements of nums except nums at I. We can solve this in O of n time and without using the division operator. We are going to build two lists. In pre-multiply, we start with the first value. To get the next value, we multiply the previous with the current. This gives us 2, and we continue. For post-multiply, we start at the end. We multiply the post with the current, and this gives us 24, and we continue. Now we're ready to build result. To get the current index in result, we will take the pre-index in pre-multiply. In this case, there's no value, so we'll put a 1. And the post index in post multiply and multiply those together. Again, we do the same. We take the previous and pre-multiply and the post and post multiply and multiply them together.
And here's the code to do so. Please like and follow for more.